All right, so looking at our Pearson Easy Bridge, remember it is the same. Remember we started a new unit yesterday called Let's Be Rational. So you're going to click on the plus sign that says Unit 6 3, sixth grade, third unit, Let's Be Rational. The first investigation, remember there's always 4 investigations. Click on that plus sign for the first one. Estimate fractions, fraction sum, decimal, decimal sums using benchmarks. Let's work on another practice problem. All right, we have estimate the following as a whole number as 1/2. So basically they want you to estimate to the closest 1/2. So here are your options. Let me grab this real quick. Um, where is, oh, here we go, Jamboard. Oh, Miss Hasser, I didn't hear you say jam. All right, so this is what we have. There's some mental thinking I'm thinking in my head. The first number, the denominator is 207. So about half of 207 is about, I'm sorry, let me try this again. Miss Lee, get it together. About half of 207 is about 100. So is 5 anywhere close to 100? No.
No.
So this will round to 0. About. If I'm going to what's closest to 1/2. Next we have um, 15. So about half of 15 is 8. Is 8 close to that? Yes. So I'm going to round this to about 1/2. Next we have 11. So about half of 11 is 5. Is 6 close to that? Yes. So I'm going to round this to about 1/2. So all this I can really do mentally. So 0 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 is 1 whole. So that's how I kind of look at the denominator and try to figure out what it will round to, estimate to rather. Trying to estimate it. So I'm gonna say this is about 1. Well done. So now I have another um, check mark finished. So if I wanted to try the mastery point quiz so I can get my points, remember the quiz me is how you get your points, not the practice problems. So yeah, that was another one for that. So now let's look at the next indicator, objective rather. It says add and subtract fractions. There's a lot more practice problems. Let's see here. Don't forget the help me is available. Help me solve this. View example. You're making fettuccine alfredo with 2/10 cups of water and 6/10 cups of milk. How much? How many cups of liquid do you need in all? In all looks like a addition clue word for adding. Let me grab this real quick. Uh, So I'm going to say that in all is addition. You guys can see my screen, right? So we have 2/10 plus 6/10. The first rule is you got to make sure they have a common denominator, and they do. So now all we do is just add the numerator. 2 plus 6 is 8 over 10 is your answer. Does it say I need to simplify? Type a whole number or a simplified fraction. Okay, it specifically says it needs to be simplified. So let me simplify it. Common factor is 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2 would be 4/5. So they want me to put the simplified fraction 4/5. 4/5. Check answer. Well done. Next question. I got my check mark. So then let's close this out and do a quiz. The rule for adding and subtracting fractions is you have to have a common denominator. So there's 5 questions. You need to get at least 4 of them correct. Okay,